Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Ryobi Compact Drill Driver Kit P1811. We're going to open up the box, take a look at what's inside, and give it a try. Stay tuned. Alright guys, before we open the box, we'll go ahead and take a look at the specifications on the outside. Now this is the Ryobi P208B drill driver. Now it comes with the P118 dual chemistry charger and two of the P102 batteries. These are the lithium ion batteries. It also comes with the tool bag. So this is an awesome kit for a starter. If you're getting started with Ryobi or just need a compact drill driver, this is a great kit because it has two of the batteries, the drill driver, and the bag all in one. Really nice starter kit here. So we'll go ahead and open it up and take a look and give them a try. All right, so as we open the box here, take a look inside, and everything is inside the carry bag. So we'll pull the carry bag out, and that is everything that's in the box. You can see there's nothing else in the box. We'll set that aside here. And then inside the bag, first thing out of the bag is the operator's manual. Then we have the dual chemistry charger. Now this is not the quick charge, this is their standard IntelliPort charger, the P118 charger. So good charger. It can do the NiCad lithium and lithium plus battery. So while this comes with two of the lithium batteries, it does have the ability to charge the lithium plus. Obviously it's going to take a little bit longer, but it does have that capability. Now next we have the drill driver itself. Pull that out. And last are the two batteries inside here. Okay, these. So these are the standard gray lithium batteries. They do not have the LED indicator on the front to tell you where the charge is at, but they are nice and compact, lightweight batteries, and definitely better than the NiCad batteries, the old yellow NiCad batteries they had. So two of those. We'll do a close-up of everything here on the table, show you what all this looks like here. So guys, again, everything laid out here. We have the operator's manual, both of the P102 batteries, the P208B drill driver, and the P118 IntelliPort charger, along with the nice carry bag here. So again, what's nice about this kit is that it includes the dual chemistry charger here. This does allow you to charge the old NiCad batteries, the lithium batteries that are included here, and then if you expand your collection, you can charge the lithium plus batteries as well. So that's a nice addition to this kit here. Also, the P102 batteries, these are the standard lithium batteries. Now, they're not my favorite batteries. I prefer the Lithium Plus with the reader on the front, and hopefully soon we'll have the new Lithium Plus HD batteries. But in the meantime, this is a great battery. It does the 1.3, 1.2 amp hours. So having two of these, being able to have one in the drill driver and one on the charger, that's really nice. Kind of makes up for the fact that it's going to that it's not going to last as long, but maybe not as good as the Lithium Plus if you can get your hands on some Lithium Plus batteries. But again, in the meantime, great addition to this collection, especially where they're giving you two of the batteries. Talk about the bag for a second. Not the best bag I've ever seen, but at the same time, again, for the price, for the quality, with this, it's not bad. It's a really good bag. Again, as a starter bag, gonna get your collection up and rolling. Fits everything here, and you could probably throw another drill in there even, some more batteries, and be good to go. And finally, the drill itself. This drill driver, we actually have an old version of this drill driver, or actually the same model, but just an older one. And this is a great drill driver. It is not their top of the line, it's not their best drill driver, but at the same time, it is a phenomenal drill driver. It comes with a lot of the features that you'd be looking for as far as the LED light on the front, mag tray. It has their trademark grip zone, 24 position clutch, and 2-speed gearbox. This is a phenomenal starter or intermediate drill driver, especially as compact as it is, fits into a bag or into your existing toolbox very easily. And with the One Plus system, we can throw the battery on there and doesn't weigh very much. So again, with the Ryobi products, you're gonna see some more of this plastic, and it definitely cuts down on the weight. Arguably cuts down on some of the quality that you could have, but for the cost, for the money that you're gonna spend, it's an awesome drill driver to have. All right guys, so now we'll go ahead and throw in a driver bit, just a Phillips head, and a paddle bit, and give it a try, see how it does. All right guys, so for the test on this drill today, we're not gonna do anything too crazy. First, we're just gonna throw in the driver bit, and we'll put in a handful of screws, show you what this looks like. We have it on the 2nd speed, and we'll go ahead and change the clutch here to about 18. So just to give us an idea of what this looks like, we'll throw in a couple screws real quick. This is just a 1-inch. Goes in really nice there. Throw another one in here. Pretty easy. Next up, we'll use the 2-inch screw. Same thing. Throw that collar down. Hear the clutch engage there, doing its job. Again, not too bad. Here's a 3-inch. Now this is probably the max of what this drill is normally handle, but we'll go ahead and give it a try here. Throw that down. There, it's cutting out there, maybe a little low on the battery. These definitely don't ship with a lot of battery, and we haven't charged them up. That is one thing that's usually recommended with these batteries, is to get them charged out of the box if they've been sitting. But again, we're just doing a quick test just to show you. We'll do one more of these 3-inch, see if this battery can handle it, and then we'll move over to the drilling and show you what that looks like. But here we go again with the 3-inch. Yeah, cutting out there. So we'll go ahead and switch over to the other battery, throw in the paddle bit, and drill a couple holes. All right guys, so we got the paddle bit in, we've got the 2nd battery in. We'll drill a couple holes real quick, show you what that looks like here. And that's one thing to remember, definitely want to switch this over to the drill mode so that the clutch doesn't engage. That'll bypass the clutch here. And we'll go now. And that's it. So didn't quite get all the way through with the shipped battery power. We'll go ahead and charge these up and give it another try here. All right guys, so the charge on the battery wasn't even enough to drill one complete hole in this 2x4 with the 1-inch paddle bit. So as we said before, it's always recommended that you charge up the batteries first when you first get the tools and get the batteries. So that's what we've done. We've charged up this battery now. We'll go ahead and put it back in, and then we'll drill a couple holes here. That's more like it. Go ahead and do one more here just so you can see. There it is. Also guys, I figured while we've got the fresh battery, we'll throw in a couple screws with this fresh battery as well. So got a couple screws here, just throw these in. Nice and easy. A little bit longer. And there it goes. So that's the drill. So guys, that's it. The Ryobi 18 volt compact drill driver kit P1811 comes with the bag, the charger, 2 batteries, and the drill driver. And again, this is an awesome drill driver, the P208B. I've personally owned a P208B driver for several years now, and it is done awesome. So there it is, guys. That's it for today. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment below to let us know what tool you'd like to see next, and go to our website to enter for the tool giveaway. Thanks for watching. We'll drill a couple holes real quick, show you what that looks like here. Oh,